Hello everyone, this is Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Swalkuchi, Assam. We handweave the beautiful Assam silk saris, Assam silk mekhela sadar, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sadar. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase very beautiful handwoven Assam silk sari for this wedding season. Who does not want to drape the beauty of our country in such a manner that it will be a head turner, right? So today I'm going to showcase two beautiful Assam Toss silk, means Assam Tasar silk saris, which are handcrafted and are lab tested certified. The first sari I'm going to showcase is going to blow your mind for sure. This is the first Assam Tasar silk sari. As you can see, the color of the sari is the natural color of Tasar, which is buttery color, and it is crafted beautifully with a very vibrant green thread and golden zari. It's a very unusual color combination, but a very beautiful one. It speaks in volume of our artistry and craftsmanship. This is the achal portion, which has been crafted very intricately with a combination of our gamkharu motif. As you can see, there are a lot of floral motifs. It has been crafted with golden zari and thread work. This is how the palla looks. And now the body portion. The body portion has buttas all over, which is with the thread, green color thread and golden zari. As I unfold the sari, I hope you can feel and understand the texture and the sheen of this silk. This is how the sari looks all together. And speaking for the border portion, it is a fixed border, meaning the border has been woven along with the sari. It is not a stitched border. Look at the beauty, the Aronai border, so nicely crafted with zari and thread. This is the first sari which you can definitely drape, I feel, for this wedding season. Beside wedding season, also this can be draped in any occasion. This has such a lovely pair. I can see, I can feel that, this drape will definitely be a head turner this season. This is the first sari. Now moving on to the second. After the contemporary take on the Assam Tasar, this is a very traditional color combination of Assam Tasar silk, which has been crafted with golden zari, red color thread and black color thread. A very traditional look. You can see the archel portion, very nicely crafted, very detailed weaving has been done. This is a beautiful Miri motif of Assam, which has been crafted with golden zari and thread work all over. Now the body has got beautiful small flower buttas, which is in red, black and golden zari. This is how the entire sari looks. The innermost part of the sari, you can see the buttas have long distance. It has been placed with great distance as compared to the front portion of the sari. Now this sari has the border which has been woven separately and will be stitched separately. This is the border portion. See, this is how the borders are woven, and we will cut them and place it on the sari. So not to worry at all. The borders will be placed in a manner, very neatly it will be placed. So this is the stitched border, and this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has this border which you can design as per your choice and preference. This beautiful and the traditional Assam Tasar silk sari is definitely going to be a pick of this season, I feel. The silk does comes with lab testing certificate, wherein the warp and weft is tested and certified. If you like any of this beautiful handwoven Assam Toss silk sari, please do contact us at 789-6541489. We also do work with boutique owners, shop owners who are interested to have the beautiful Assam handloom as your beautiful treasure for your beautiful customers. We'll be very glad to serve you, and do not forget to contact us. Please, it's a request. Do subscribe, share, and like our channel so that we can reach to more and more beautiful handloom lovers just like you people. Thank you so much.